thought that I don't know if there will be meaning to money if this object turns out to be technological after October 29th. If you want to take a vacation, take it before that date, because who knows what will happen.
In this video, we'll be talking about our new guest in our solar system called 3I Atlas. So 3I Atlas was discovered in July 2025 by Atlas telescope. This is the third object identified in our solar system which is of interstellar origin. That's why its name is given as 3I Atlas. Before this, two more interstellar objects has been identified in our solar system. The first one is Oumuamua in 2017 and second one is 2I Borisov in 2019. Oumuamua was 100-meter cigar-shaped comet that was identified in 2017 and it definitely showed some strange behavior. It entered in our solar system from above the ecliptic plane. So Oumuamua accelerated a bit when it was near perihelion, and that acceleration is not defined till yet. We don't have any theories which supported this acceleration. But now this third guest, 3I Atlas, is causing a lot of trouble to astronomers and the people on social media. There have been a lot of conspiracy theories and there have been lots of clickbaits and lots of misinformation has been revolving around this object which passed near Mars few weeks ago. So now look at the theories which are revolving around the internet about 3I Atlas with all the facts and evidence. First, look at the popular things which are revolving on the social media.
Something unbelievable is happening with the interstellar object called 3I Atlas. This city-sized traveler is racing toward our solar system, and scientists just discovered it is giving off pure nickel gas without any iron. To us that might sound small, but in space, nickel and iron always travel together like twins.
So the first claim is this object is made up of pure nickel and it has no iron. And in space, iron and nickel are like twins. Yes, this is true that an object of natural origin mostly has iron and nickel in some unique composition. But this claim is completely false as we don't have any data which supports that this object is completely made up of nickel.
It is made of mostly carbon dioxide instead of water. It is shooting out cyanide gas in huge bursts, and it is flying perfectly in line with our solar system. Nothing about this makes sense. That is why scientists are calling it one of the strangest visitors we have ever seen, and all eyes are now on late October 2025 when it passes behind the sun to find out if it is just a bizarre comet or something completely new.
So let me tell you, no scientist is feeling strange about this object because this object shows completely natural behavior. Its tail is made up of carbon dioxide and water, which is completely fine, and all the space debris have this composition.
To the sun on October 29, 2025. I got a text message the other day from someone who said that he is trading options on the volatility of the market with an expiration date of October 29 in order to make money. And I immediately thought that I don't know if there will be meaning to money if this object turns out to be technological after October 29. If you want to take a vacation, take it before that date, because who knows what will happen.
Now look at the path which 3I Atlas is following in our solar system. You can clearly see this is following an hyperbolic path which is not bound to our solar system and sun. When 3I Atlas passed near Mars, NASA was on shutdown, so we don't have any data from NASA. Though we have data from European Space Agency ESA, and that video is with us. From the video we cannot conclude that this object is natural or artificial, but the data eventually released by NASA shows that this is definitely natural. summary of this video is all the theories which you are seeing on the social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, those all are clickbaits and only for views. They don't have any data which are supporting these claims. These are just hypothetical theories and stories which are being made without any scientific data or any evidence. So please refrain yourself from these theories and stories and wait for the official data from NASA or any other space agency to come.
Another faction, however, says, now, wait a minute. Perhaps this is a visitor, an intelligent visitor from another solar system, and perhaps this week we could have a test of it. That's right. This week, it turns out that the asteroid or comet will be whizzing around our sun, and if it picks up extra energy on its flyby, that would clinch it.